Anshu is looking at the robot for the first time. Again after a long time, and he's very scared. He wants to play with it, but he's not sure. He's scared at the same time. He wants to play. Let's see. How is he doing? तुम छू दो उसको नहीं